finally time to put the cam tower back on. Got my new timing belt, got my new oil filter, got my oil. I didn't get the cap and rotor yet, but just gonna start off by adding some lubrication. Make sure it doesn't start dry. I already added this to the cam tower. Make sure the gasket area is clean. Actually, before I put this cam tower back on, I'm going to loosen up this oil filter because usually these are really hard to get to, and since everything is cleared away from this area, I can easily fit a tool in there. Kind of easily, I guess. I also have the new gasket. Links to all these things in the description. Make sure you don't put the gasket on backwards. There's one hole. This needs to go on that side. That's the hole you gotta watch out for. Alright, now I can just start threading them all in, threading all these bolts in. Don't want to forget to bolt on the coolant line. Want to make sure the gasket's not sagging. Now I'm just going to hand tighten these, starting with these center 4, actually 5. I guess I'll go in like I'm not going to do any pattern, I'll just do whatever. Gotta make sure the mark is still lined up here before you go tightening this down. Otherwise you're gonna bend some valves. You just want to keep doing this until the cam tower is clamped lightly up against the head. You need to get a torque wrench and torque all these to 15 foot-pounds. I'd recommend testing your torque wrench on like maybe a lug nut to see what 15 foot-pounds feels like before you go messing with these. Gonna go ahead and do this once again. Hope my injector fits there. Had to modify my little plate here so the injector would fit. This was blocking the injector. So there's the cam tower installed. Check out the next video for the timing belt installation and startup. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked the